Hello guys, today we're going to be buying the Lamborghini Gallardo. Uh, I was waiting, we were all waiting, for this Lamborghini, brand to come on Racing Rivals, and now it's finally here. I have this Lamborghini Gallardo, Class S. That's pretty nice, Class S, and, it's all-wheel drive. Comes 1634 rank 1634 stock, and looks pretty nice. I actually like it, and it has a good price, 325. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's one of the fastest Class S cars. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. Which color should I put them on? I'm gonna go with this black. The black color looks nice on these cars, so go ahead and buy it. That's it, guys. Alright, and now I have Lamborghini Gallardo 1634 new car, guys. The first thing I'm gonna do is put on some really nice paint job on this car. I'm gonna go ahead and go with this matte red. It looks pretty nice. This matte blackness looks nice too. I think I'm gonna go with this matte white. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna go for. I'm not sure. I'm actually not gonna. Let's see if I can buy another one. Let's see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy two or just stay with one. I'm gonna max it out. I'm gonna max out this Lamborghini Gallardo. As you can see, I have 2 mil. Well, yeah. Well, I'm gonna max one out and keep the other one just for fun. Hopefully I have I'm gonna have like about 80 gems. I'm not sure. No, 170. Wow. Okay. Well, that's good. I'm gonna put real nice paint job on it, and some pretty cool rims. I'm gonna put this matte white on this Lamborghini. Let's put it on. All right, and now put some pretty cool rims. Think about these green ones, or should I go with these? It actually look pretty nice on this car. Oh yeah, I bought gold crates. I'll be posting the video maybe later this week. I just want to give a little bit of update this thing. I actually don't like it with these rims. Now I want to put some nice exclusive rims on it. Oh, this actually looks pretty awesome. I actually do like it. Or should I go with these? Oh, they're the same thing. They're basically the same thing, but these are actually pretty nice. I'm actually gonna go maybe with these. Yeah, I'm gonna go with these. Yep, I'm gonna go with this. Alright, I apply them, and first thing I'm gonna do is check if you can put body kits. No, you can't. That's okay. Buy this lower down the car. Don't really drop it. Really lower down the suspension. There you go. Well, this is Lamborghini Gallardo. Looks real nice. Only if you could put like a spoiler or something. You can't at all. But it's nice. Real nice. Well, I'm gonna be maxing out this one. Start maxing it out to see if it was the fastest time, and yeah, try it out. Hopefully it's one of the fastest Class S cars. And yeah, guys, I'll be posting the, like I said, I'll be posting the 100 gold crate opening later this week or tomorrow, or I'm not sure about that. But yeah, I'm gonna be maxing out this car. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, comment, and yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.